Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your science teacher Nancy Pandey. So my dear students, I am here with a explanation of topic work from your science book chapter number 11, force, work and energy. So my dear students, in our previous videos I had told you about force and types of forces, that is gravity and friction. So students, now we are going to study our new topic, that is work. So students, first of all, you know very well work is used to describe a lots of activities in everyday life. But in science, however, the word work has a very specific meaning. Work is said to be done only when the force applied on an object causes it to move through a distance in the direction of the force. So students, it means work in science, work is done when a force causes an object to move in the same direction that the force is applied. In science, the object must move. Work is only accomplished when a force moves an object to some distance. However, work is also said to be done when the force applied on the object causes a change in the shape or size of the object. So students, when you kick a football, you are applying a force that causes it to move. Look at the picture that is given here, a child kicking a football. So look at this picture. This child is kicking a football. It means he is applying force that cause the ball to move. So this is considered as work because force is being applied to the football to make it move. Activities such as reading, sleeping and thinking are not considered as work in science. This is because no force is being applied in these cases and no object is being moved. Now let's move on to our next topic, that is machines. Machine is any structure that makes our work easier, and simple machines are those machines that have a few or no moving parts at all, like scissor, plier, screwdriver. So students, today we will learn about a simple machine. When a task is difficult to do with our hands, we use tools called machines. A simple machine is a tool that makes our task easier and faster with the use of less force. So students, now we are going to learn about lever, which is simple machine and we use it often in our daily life to make work easier. So students, do you know what is a lever? Let me tell you. A lever is a simple machine that is made up of a rod resting at a point around which it turns. So students, lever is a simple machine made up of rod resting at a point around which it turns. So students, it is used to lift or move heavy weights or cut things or open the lid of a tin. Like, look at the given picture. A man using a rod as a lever to lift a stone. And in second picture, this is a picture of scissor. We use it cutting a piece of paper. So it is also a type of lever. In third picture, opening the lid of a tin using a spoon. So here spoon is also act like a lever or lever. A pair of scissors is an example of a lever we use when we use a spoon handle to make the lid of a tin. The spoon acts as a lever. So students, these all are the example of lever. Now let's come to the second type of simple machine, that is pulley. So students, a pulley is also simple machine that has a groove wheel and a rope running between the grooves of the wheel. It is used to lift heavy objects attached to one end of the rope. So drawing water from a well with the help of a pulley is an example. So students, look at the given picture. A woman is drawing water from a well with the help of pulley. So drawing water from a well is an example of a simple machine, pulley. So in this system or in this simple machine, grooved wheel and a rope running between the grooves of the wheel is used to lift heavy objects attached to one end of the rope. Now let's come to the next topic, wheel and axle. So students, can you think of a things that have wheels? There are many things. Almost all vehicles have wheels. These wheels have a rod connected to them, and this rod is called the axle. The axle moves the wheel. So students, do you know how the wheels move? The wheels moves with the help of axle. Moving heavy objects becomes easier with the help of a wheel and axle. So students, to move heavy objects, from one place to another, we use wheels and axle to lift the heavy objects. So these are the example of simple machines. I hope you understood all this topic very clearly by the help of this video. Now you have to Read this chapter carefully and don't forget to do all the homework and assignment that is given during your live classes or in your WhatsApp group. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay at your home. Thank you, students. Bye and take care.